Welcome, my dear students. Today we are going to start a new chapter, that is balance of payment and exchange rate. Okay, let's start. The meaning of balance of payment. Let's understand the meaning of balance of payment. The balance of payment of a country is a systematic record of all economic transactions between residents of one country and resident of a foreign country during a given period of time. So here economic transactions means economic transaction means the activities which add value to the national income are called economic activities. Okay, in simple word we can say that those activities which are performed for money are called economic activities. Okay, next thing is resident. Resident of a country means is the country in which you currently resides. Generally this time is 1 year. So balance of payment is nothing but a systematic record of all transactions which are performed for money between one country to another country. Okay, it is important to note that three important points in the definition of balance of payment. First one is balance of payment refers to the systematic record of all transactions of a country with other country. So first one is economic transaction relate to flow of economic goods and services and assets. So economic transaction means I already explained transaction which are performed for money. Okay, second one is economic transaction reflected in the balance of payment are between resident of a country and resident of other countries. So economic transaction reflected in the balance of payment are one resident of a country and resident of other country. So resident means it is a country in which you reside, currently resides, already explained. Okay, thirdly, the balance of payment is flow concept. Okay, so balance of payment is the flow concept. They refers to certain values of export or import per time period. Flow concept, yes, flow concept means import and export of economic goods. So in simple word we can say that all recording by a country of export and import in a country is known as balance of payment. Okay, thus the balance of payment is an account of all payment made by a country to other country and all received by it from abroad during the given period of time. Now, component of balance of payment. Component means item which are included in the balance of payment. So various items are included in the balance of payment are categorized into main two groups. One is current account and another one is second one is capital account. So the current account is record all international economic transaction relating to export and import of goods and services, unilateral transfer and international incomes. The current account record all international transactions. So international transactions means transactions incurred beyond the boundary of a country to export and import of goods and services. Goods, goods and services outside the boundary of a country. Import means buying goods from outside the country boundary of country, and export means selling goods to the boundary of outside the boundary of a country. Unilateral transaction means one way transfer of money, goods or services from one party to another. Okay. Now capital account. The capital accounts record all international economic transactions relating to change in assets, both financial and physical. So capital account is mainly focused on change in assets, and assets can be money, stock, bond, government debt, etc. In simple word, capital accounts record all those transactions of receipt and payments of foreign exchange which affect the asset and liabilities of a company. Okay? Okay, my dear students, current account and capital accounts I will discuss in detail in next video. Okay?